Hello, students. In last class, we have discussed the Bayes theorem. Now, in this class, we will discuss about the next part of this chapter 13. The part is to be based on random variable, random experiment. Suppose in the question it is given that throw a dice, right? Throw a dice. Meaning whenever throwing a dice you are getting the results that are is to be known as different results is to be collected, and all of those are written into a curly bracket that is known as sample space, which is denoted by S. And in the sample space there are different outcomes inside there. So the random variable is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of each random experiment. Whose domain is the sample space? Whose domain is the sample space? किसका? Of each random experiment जो आपने थ्रो किया डायस को. Sometimes you are getting the number 1, that is an experiment. Sometimes you are getting the number that is 2, again an experiment. So similarly, whenever throwing a dice you are getting the 6 experiments that are known as experiment, and the collection of the experiment is to be known as sample space, and each sample space of each random experiment उसका जो डोमेन है वो क्या है? रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन होगा. वो क्या होगा? रैंडम वेरिएबल. एंड द रैंडम वेरिएबल इज डिनोटेड बाय capital X. Capital X. One of the example, we will discuss on it. Random variable is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of each random experiment. Right? तो आपसे पूछा जा सकता है कि रैंडम वेरिएबल क्या होगा? रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन होगा. जो क्या होगा? उसका जो डोमेन होगा is the sample space, is the domain and of each random experiment. Now we will take one of the example, right? There is given tossing a coin 2 times. एक एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर. tossing a coin 2 times. Tossing a coin 2 times. So the random variable is to be later on whatever it is, tossing a coin 2 times, and there is written the number of head, right? The random variable, that is random variable is not the number of head, right? तो सबसे पहले एक्सपेरिमेंट तो क्या होंगे? थ्रोइंग coin 2 times, or whether the coin is tossed 2 times or maybe the 2 coin at a time. Same experiment is to be there. So the sample space are HH, TT, HT and TH. These are the sample space. In each sample space, ये क्या कहा गया? Each random experiment. These are the experiment and the collection of experiment is to be known as sample space. तो each experiment having head, if it is, then count it. That is the random variable. So random variable of HH, counting of head, that is 2. Random variable of TT, no H, 0. And the random variable of HT, that is 1. And the random variable of TH, that is again 1. Number of head. So the random variable which is described by we are getting 0, 1 and 2. These are the random variable. Question is clear? First, we will describe the experiment throwing a coin. Each result is to be known as an experiment, and the collection of these experiment is to be known as sample space. और इस सैंपल स्पेस क्या होगा? उसका डोमेन फॉर ईच रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, और कह सकते हैं कि रैंडम वेरिएबल इज ए रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन. ये रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन है 0, 1, 2. क्लियर सबको? नाउ कम ऑन नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. The question is that a person play a game of tossing a coin thrice. Tossing a coin. THRIC. Meaning, for each head he is given ₹2 by the organizer of the game. Meaning, for each head organizer gives ₹2 to player, and for each tail player has to give 1.50 to organizer. That is given in question. Capital X denote the amount gain or loss by person. Capital X denote the amount that gain or lost by the person, by the player, right? तो अब क्लियर है क्वेश्चन. टॉसिंग ए कॉइन थ्राइस. The experiments are, whenever 3 coin is to be tossed, the experiments are like that. 3 coin experiments. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Similarly with tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, and tail, tail, tail. These 8 experiments are there, and the collection of these 8 experiments is to be known as sample space, which is denoted by HHH, HST, HTH, STT, THH, THT, TTH, TTT. 8 experiments are like this. These are the sample space. Now the random variable is x, denote the amount of gain or loss by the player. और x को क्या रिप्रेजेंट करे? अमाउंट, गेनिंग की अमाउंट. तो अमाउंट किस तरह से गेन हो रही है और किस तरह से लॉस हो रही है? फॉर ईच हैड ऑर्गेनाइजर गिव ₹2 टू द प्लेयर. फॉर ईच टेल player has to give 1.5 to the organizer. Meaning, whenever the amount or the random variable for h, that is कितनी आएगी बताओ? random variable of outcome एच 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 क्या आएगी, यहाँ का ऑन ईच हेड द ऑर्गेनाइजर पे ₹2 टू द प्लेयर, तो यहाँ अमाउंट कितना आ गया ₹6, 2 सेकेंड केस आपने लिया एक्स एच एच टी, कितना आया ₹2 गेन, ₹2 गेन, 1.5 का लॉस, देन द रिजल्ट इज 2.50। ठीक है, एक्स एच टी एच अगेन सेम 2.50 कॉमा एक्स ऑफ एच टी टी, ₹2 गेन, ₹3 लॉस इक्वल -1, फिर एक्स ऑफ टी एच एच कितना आएगा 2.5 प्रॉफिट कॉमा एक्स ऑफ टी एच टी -1 एक्स ऑफ टी टी एच -1 again of x of t t t, then the result is minus of 450, right? 2 3 head he earns ₹6, 2 head he earns ₹4, 1 tail then he lost 1.50, then the remaining is 2.50 positive. Same in each outcome we will calculate the value or the amount what he gains. Now this random variable is amount that gain or lost by the player. The x is described by, अब x क्या होगा, तो x क्या हुआ, x equal he is to be -1, right, thereafter positive 2.50, 4.50 and 6. These are the random variable of this question, right? Negative minus, there is negative 450, ठीक है, 250 प्लस, आप इसको प्रॉपर लिख दें, पहले माइनस के लिख लें, माइनस ऑफ 450 माइनस ऑफ 1, 2.5 प्लस and 6 plus. This is the random variable. Exactly it is clear. Next question, random variable आपको किस तरह से describe करना है. Next, a bag contains 2 white, 1 red ball. A bag that contains white ball is 2 and the red ball is 1. One ball is drawn at random and then put back in the box after noting its color. One ball is drawn and put back into the बॉक्स आफ्टर नोटिंग इट्स कलर, उसका कलर नोट करने के बाद क्या करना है, अगेन प्लेस इनटू द बैग. द प्रोसेस इज रिपीटेड अगेन, द प्रोसेस इज रिपीटेड अगेन, चलता रहेगा ये प्रोसेस. एक्स डिनोट द नंबर ऑफ रेड बॉल, नंबर ऑफ रेड बॉल इन टू ड्रॉ, इन टू ड्रॉ, राइट. डिस्क्राइब एक्स, 2 ड्रॉ करनी है आपको और नंबर ऑफ रेड बॉल्स को आप नोट करना है, नंबर ऑफ रेड बॉल्स इन 2 ड्रॉ, दैट इज द एक्स. तो 2 ड्रॉ करेंगे तो कैसे कैसे हो सकता है, इसको आप कह सकते हो R1, इसको कह सकते हो W1 W2, राइट है. तो रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स और वी कैन से सैंपल स्पेस अगर हम डिस्क्राइब करें तो क्या क्या हो सकता है, W1 W2, W1 R1, W1 W2 R1, कॉमा W1 W2 W1 R1, अगेन W2 R1 W2 W1 ऑर्डर, फिर कॉमा W2 R1 R1 W1 R1 W2, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, R1 R1 क्योंकि वापस भी पुट कर दिया आपने, W1 W1 और W2 W2, टोटल 8 आउटकम्स आर 8, ठीक है। W1 W2 इटसेल्फ, क्योंकि पुट बैक इनटू द बैक, वापस भी आपने रख दिया तो खुद भी वापस आ सकता है सेकेंड रो में, और सबके साथ एक एक बार आएगा। W1 W2 के साथ आएगा, W1 R1 के साथ आएगा, W1 W1 के साथ आएगा, ऐसे W2 R1 के साथ, W2 W1 के साथ, W2 W2 के साथ, सेम R1 W1 के साथ, R1 W1, वेयर इट इज R1 W1 1 2, अच्छा, W1 W2 that is repeated, so the outcomes are W1 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 W2 W1 W1 W2 and the W2 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 W1 W1 R1 W2 R1 RW1 RW2 और RR R1 W2 R1 W1, where it is R1 W1, that is not mentioned here, so the change it is, there is W2 W1, this is also W1 W2, so the change is here W1 R1 W1 W2, एक बार चेक कर ले क्या मिस्टेक हुई है, ठीक है। और W1 R1, दैट इज W1 R1 इज नॉट देयर, तो राइट हियर W1 R1, W2 R1 W2 W1 W2 W2, राइट। तो ये R1 W2 एक बार रिपीट हो गया, ये यहाँ पर मिला लो, आप चेक कर लो, W1 W1, ठीक है, ये रहा आउटकम, W1 W2 ये रहा, नेक्स्ट W2 W2 दैट इज आउटकम, नेक्स्ट W2 W1 W2 W1 ये आ गया, नेक्स्ट W1 R1, ठीक है, W2 R1, नेक्स्ट W2 R1 R1 W1 R1 W1, this is not mentioned here, R1 W1, so this repeated there, ये प्रॉब्लम यही थी, पता नहीं लग रहा था, ये हो गया। अब हो गया कंप्लीट, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 आउटकम्स आ रहे हैं, अभी भी एक एरर है। फिर R1 W1 R1 W2, ठीक है, फिर R1 R1, अब कौन सा आउटकम रहा, एक आउटकम W1 W1 W2, टोटल आउटकम्स आर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ठीक है, 9 आउटकम्स आर देयर ऑब्जेक्टली। अब हमें बोला गया x क्या है, नंबर ऑफ रेड बॉल, ठीक है, तो x ऑफ W1 W2 क्या आएगा, 0, इसमें कोई रेड बॉल ही नहीं है। फिर x ऑफ R1 W1, इसमें रेड बॉल कितनी है, 1। फिर x ऑफ W2 R1, यहाँ रेड बॉल कितनी है, 1। वेन एवर x इज W2 W1, रेड बॉल इज 0, x इज W1 R1, रेड बॉल इज 1, x इज R1 W2, रेड बॉल इज 1, x इज R1 R1, रेड बॉल इज 2, x इज W1 W1, red ball is 0, x is W2 W2, red ball is 0. So the x number of red ball, the x is 0 1 2, there are 3 values, that is the random variable of this question. Clear? 9 outcome you will make, thereafter random variable is described in a proper manner. तो हम रैंडम वेरिएबल आप डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, इसके बाद इसका पार्ट है प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, क्या करोगे, प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। तो देखो x इज द रैंडम वेरिएबल, and the probability corresponding x, probability corresponding x, x कौन है? random variable. Or whenever it is to be arranged in that pattern like this, where is the random variable and downside corresponding probability is there. Here is random variable and this each random variable corresponding probability is there, each random variable corresponding probability is like that. One of the example we have taken, the two coin is tossed. Two coin is tossed, right? The outcomes are head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail, and the random variable is the number of head appear. तो क्या होंगे? यहाँ पर आपका 2, यहाँ 1, यहाँ 1, यहाँ 0. हेड कितनी अपीयरेंस हुई? 0, 1, 2. तो रैंडम वेरिएबल में क्या लिखोगे आप? 0, 1, 2. ठीक है. Corresponding probability 0 comes in how many experiments? 0 is to be taken in 1 out of 4. The probability is 1/4. 1 you are getting in 2 experiments, then the probability is described by 2/4, that is 1/4. Summation of the probability, that is always equivalent to the 1. ये आप चेक कर लेना कि ये समेशन भी 1 आना चाहिए. तो इसको क्या नाम दिया? इट इज नोन एज, दिस इज द वेरिफिकेशन, this is verification, and this process is known as, this process is known as probability distribution. Probability distribution. तो देखो क्वेश्चन में whenever the question is that find out the random variable, then the part 1 what we have discussed before this, you will do like that. Whenever in the question it is that find out the probability distribution, then the random variable that we have done, one of the example that we have taken here, two coin is tossed at once and the outcomes are like these, the sample space are like these, and the x, the random variable is number of head appear on throwing of two coin. हेड कितना कितना आया? इसमें हेड 2 आया, इसमें 1 आया, इसमें 1 आया, इसमें 0 आया. तो 0, 1, 2 that is the random variable. These corresponding these random variable, what are the probabilities? That is to be written in a tabular form. Whenever this outcome you are getting, the probability of this outcome is this outcome, the probability of this outcome is, that is the one experiment is there. So out of 4 the probability is 1/4, and the one random variable, if x is 1 then the outcomes are 2, then the probability out of 4 that is 2/4, which is defined by 2/4. And the h's, there are 2 head, so random variable is 2 on which the experiment is 1, so the 1 out of 4 the probability is described 1/4. The total probability sum, meaning sum of these all experiments corresponding probability, if it is equivalent to the 1 then it becomes okay. So this process is known as probability distribution. Understood this? One next example we will take for demonstrate the probability distribution. There is a question, two cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled deck, with replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. find the probability distribution. Find the probability distribution of number of S. Number of S. कितनी कार्ड ड्रॉ की? 2. तो S कितने आ सकते हैं? नहीं आता है 0. S कितना आ सकता है? 1. S कितना आ सकता है? 2. There are 3 random variable. Number of S, this is the X. 0, इसमें S नहीं आता है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हुई? S नहीं आएगा और कार्ड जो निकालिए वो मिलानी है विद रिप्लेसमेंट, तो पहला S नहीं आए, देन 39 S नहीं आए, S आने वाले कार्ड है 4 और नहीं आने वाले हैं 48, तो पहला S नहीं आए और निकला कार्ड वापस मिला देना है विद रिप्लेसमेंट, तो दूसरा कार्ड भी S नहीं आए. दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी whenever no S you are getting on drawing the 2 cards out of a 52 cards. S1 meaning out of 4 you will get the S1 out of 52. This card is to be again deposited in the deck and the second card is not an S. This is, or we can say there is an order is also matters. First not an S and there will be the an S. That is 1S, 4 over 52. This is the probability of no 1S, 1 not S. यहाँ S आ गया, यहाँ S नहीं आया, और यहाँ S नहीं आया, यहाँ S आ गया. There is the order it matters to arrange the system. Now whenever the 2S, so getting of 1S, replace it in the deck, again getting of second S, this is the probability. Now place it in the distribution is there. So you will have to make the tabular form and last you will have to make the verification also. This is probability whenever X is 0, 48, 48 over 52, 52, and whenever X is 1, so 2 times of 4 over 52 into 48 over 52, and there is 16 times of 52 into 52. This is the probability distribution. So every student is clear that this is the probability to getting the 16 over 44 and the remaining is same. So this is the probability distribution, simplified it in a proper manner. So today we will discuss random variable and one of this the probability distribution. Both the things should be clear. कैसे solve करना है, एग्जाम्पल्स करेंगे और जो थ्योरेटिकल नोट्स आपने पढ़ा इसको प्रॉपरली ध्यान देना. समझ गए? एवरी स्टूडेंट कंसर्न ओवर इट इन लास्ट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.